In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on YouTube. This will help you communicate with your community, I mean your followers better. You can ask them what they want, ask for their opinion on what topic they will want you to treat for them. So first of all, you open your YouTube app. Once you open your YouTube app, you click on your profile here. You tap on your profile icon up here. Under it, you see community. You click on community. Then under publish here, you will see a pencil icon inside a box. You click on that pencil icon. Here you can create your poll. We have two types of poll. We have image poll and we have text poll. If you look down, you will see three icons here. The middle one is the image poll, and then the one by the right side, the last one is the text poll. So if you want to create an image poll, you just click on the image icon. Then you import any photo you want. You next, if you want to write anything on it, if you want to edit the video, you can do it from here. You can see all the option here. You do that and then you press done. So if you come here, you can write anything you want to write on the image and then post. It will automatically post to your community. It's the same thing with the text. You write anything you want and then you post to the community. So that is how to go about it. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.